Hello gems, my name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. And today's video is a new binder. So this is my family binder. I got this binder from Stuffing Budget, Miss Candy. And it is so gorgeous. It's a nice little peach color. I have $100 in prop money and different categories. Let's get into it. So this is my family binder. It's a little decorated, not too much. And I also got this charm, this house charm here from Stuffing Budget. And I made this dashboard here. And let's go over the categories. So I have my daughter, my son, me, my husband, home sweet home, and so the adventure begins. So this is traveling, and this is a fun little catch-all I am saving for like a rainy day. So let's get into it. All right, so let's start here with me daughter. All right, so this is created by Budget with Carly, say 75. And let's just, let's roll. So we got 2, so 1, let's do 1, 2. And that is a 7. I'm just gonna do 1 till I get a feel of all the challenges here. So 5, 6, and 7. And I wanted to do a family binder just to save up on things for everyone. So say if someone need a pair of shoes, they need some clothes, birthdays, which I think I'm not going to do birthday in this one. I'm continue to put birthday in a holiday binder. I think I'm going to do it. This is just for like clothes, shoes, school supplies, just because, you know, things like that. So this one is $75, created by Lemon Ivy. And this is for my son's graduation. 3, 1, 2, 3. I don't know what these amounts are. And that is a 9. So we're just going to do 1. Perfect. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Next is myself. So yes, I am saving for myself because I like fun things too. So let's roll. This is created by Janelle Ray Budget, say 660 plus. Oh my. So 2. So let's do 1, 2. And oh, it goes this way. Oh dear, I'm so crazy. So that is 3. So 1, 2, and 3. I almost want to go again on that one, but I'm gonna do run scratch. I just get a feel of all the challenges, because some of these don't have how much all the like mystery savings, or I don't know the denominations. So this is created by Stuffing Budgets. It's almost like a Pac-Man little game. I think this is so freaking cute. So let's roll. 3, 1, 2, and 3. And what do we have? So we have a pellet. So that is $3. 1, 2, and 3. All right, let's do Home Sweet Home. Oh, I didn't need to take that dashboard out. But this is just one more episode, I swear. This is created by Miss Chief Managed Budgets. And I think I'm just going to put that in the front there. So here go my cards here. And this is the front of them. So let's pick one. Let's pick Oh, that one flipped over. So let's do this one. And this is, I think this save, what's this save? 120, I believe. Yes, 120. And I believe the amounts are 1 through 15. So let's go. And that is a 6. And so home, of course, I'm saving for anything we may need around the house. So I thought this was a cute little challenge. Just save with that. And next is, and so the adventure begins. So this is vacation, of course. So my son finally decided on where he wants to, he doesn't want like a graduation party or anything. He wants to take a nice trip. And he decided that he wants to go to Hawaii. So we are going to plan a trip to Hawaii for next year. So we need to get those coins, get the going. So I am going to scratch one for each one. All these are from Bookish Mama Budgets. So, or should I? You know what? Let's roll a 4-sided die to see which one we are going to. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 2. Okay. So we are going to start with this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that is a 5. That's very, very tiny, but I can see it. If that's a 5. Perfect. You know what? I'm scratching one off each of them. Because I just have to. Because there's only one on here. Oh boy, maybe I shouldn't. That is a 9. All right. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, we're going to stop there. I'm not going to do all of them, but this one is completed. All right, let's put these 2 5s back and grab that 10. So that is $14. All right. All right, let's go back around again. All right, let's start with this one again. And let's go here. Oh, now, see, I'm telling you, now the big numbers. 9. $9. Put this one back and grab a 10. So this one has $10, $15, $16 at a 75. And let's do another one here. This one scares me because it's 75 and it don't have a lot of scratches. Oh, and that's an 8. Definitely gonna stop there. Five, 6, 7, and 8. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, $17. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oop. Throwing money. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Grab this 5. And then let's do this one. Let's do one up here. And that is a 2. That is perfect. $2. How much? Let me see. Should we do another one? Yeah, let's do one more. See, that's $1. I'm glad. Is this one? No, it's nothing on the side. I know she do double-sided sometimes. So it is $1. So we should have $6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect, perfect, perfect. And let's see about hubby here. Let's do this one. Ooh, we got a ghost. Ghosts are $5. This is so cute. $5. I feel like I want to do another one. Let's do another one. And we got another pellet for $3. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Not too shabby. And let's pick another card. Let's do this one. Should I do 2 cards? No, let's do this. Let's do 1 first. Okay, that's a 5. Boom, bam, boom. Oops, put that card over here. So it should be $11. Yep, 10, 11. All right. We did one on here, so let's do these 2. So let's do here. We got 6 and 6, $12. So 10, 11, 12. That is perfect. I am trying to use up as many saving challenges I can because I have a lot. And I have a confession. I ordered more. So 10, 15, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, $26. It's all you guys' fault because you guys keep on creating cute, fun things, and I just keep buying them. All right, so I am going to put 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, $13 into the catch-all / rainy day envelope. So what did I say this was? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, $13. Let's do a different color. Let's do a cute blue. So 13. Perfect. So this is going to be in here a long time, but that is okay. It's just for a rainy day. So I am just gonna, and it's a full page. I just put it in half like that. Perfect. All right, Jim. So that is the new addition to my savings, which is my family binder. I think that's a great little start there. I think the categories kind of make sense. So yes. So if you enjoyed this, thank you so much. Give me a thumbs up. No, but thanks everyone for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.